Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a simple city using just straight lines and a marker pen. You could use any pens that you have or pencils for this drawing. The first step in this drawing in one-point perspective is to draw a horizon line. Next, draw a dot in the center. This dot represents the vanishing point for all the receding lines in this image. Next, draw a series of receding lines going towards your vanishing point in one-point perspective. These lines represent the edges of the roads going away from us, the viewer, towards our single vanishing point in one-point perspective. Next, draw some vertical lines and horizontal lines between these receding lines. In this way, you can draw roadways at different heights. The principle of one-point perspective is that all receding lines go towards the central vanishing point in the center of the horizon line, but all of the horizontal lines and vertical lines, all of these lines, they stay horizontal and they stay vertical. The only lines that change are the ones that recede towards the central vanishing point. Next, start to draw a series of vertical lines, taller lines on the edges of your drawing to the left and the right, and shorter vertical lines towards the center of your drawing. Also, the shorter vertical lines need to be slightly tonally a lighter value. So if you're using a pencil, don't press down so hard on the pencil point. So these distant shorter lines in the center of the image are also fainter, not so dark. Next, draw some angled tops to the vertical lines so that they look like simple futuristic skyscrapers. Now, add some cars on the roads. The smaller the cars, the bigger the city will look. Cars seen at a great distance will be little more than very short lines, or maybe even dots. Now it's time to add some shading to your drawing. For my drawing, I'm using 3 marker pens, which have 3 different tonal values of grey, light, medium and dark. You could use colours for your drawing or pencils to add the shading, but I think it would be most useful to only use 3 values of shading. So if you were to use colours in your drawing, you could use a dark, medium and light colour. Finally, you could add some cast shadows to your drawing across the roads. If you'd like to learn more about techniques of drawing, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you can find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners, all of my drawing resources, and details on my books on art and observation. Thanks for watching and see you next time.